Sunday, 9:16 p.m. Limassol, Cyprus. I'm live and recording this very quick weekly outlook. Now, as I explained inside the actual blog post, actually look, let me put it this way. If you're watching this video without reading the blog post on pipsmatter.com, then make sure that you go inside the blog post because there is much more information in that post. Before I go into this video, and I'm going to repeat this because I say this in the post, it is essential that you understand how I and we at PipsMatter trade. Now, we are reactive traders. We do not predict the future. There is no magic or any kind of crystal balls here. We react to what the charts and the markets provide us with, and that stuff changes. So this is how we have drastically increased our results, and I started seeing very good consistent profitability every single trading week in the second half of 2018. I made many changes and they've all proven to be good. So the weekly outlook, this video, what we're going to be going over is not spot on. It is more of a pre-market open session trading report, and it dictates how I'm going to be trading the beginning of the new week. Now, our outlooks can change. The outlooks I release, they can change in a minute or in a few hours or in a few days. So we do not get stuck into ideas here. Our only goal is profitability, and that means we adapt to the market. So in short, we are reactive traders and we like to adapt to the market. We're going to be starting the session off with Euro USD. Once again, make sure you check out the blog posts. I'm going to add my indicators and I've just got two. So I'm going to go done, which is the Dome Chain channel. I'm going to add that in there, and then I'm going to go Expo, and there it is, moving average, exponential, boom, and that's in as well. So I'm going to set them both to 30. I'm going to remove the upper and the lower channel. I'm going to turn this into pink. I'm going to thicken it up a little bit, and the background I'm going to make black. And then I'm going to go on the EMA, and I'm going to thicken that up a little bit, and I'm going to change the color to purple. Oh, I forgot to put the inputs. So that's 30 or 28 is fine. I'll set it to 30. 30 is okay. And then here as well, 30. So this is the last 30 weeks. Look at Euro USD. Now this is the weekly chart. What we want to focus on is not the whole picture. The whole picture, what we're doing here is we want the key trading levels, such as this here. Okay, this is a key trading level. The rest of the stuff we don't want to pay attention to so much, but we want to zoom in here and we want to gather information on candlesticks. So the main process is this. Key trading levels number one. Second, check for patterns, head and shoulders, double tops, free higher highs or lows, things like this. Then we move over to candlesticks, pin bars, double reversal candle, engulfing, hanging man, these key patterns. And of course, we look for breakouts of the DC and EMA, nothing like that happening on the weekly. So, first things first, Euro USD. On the weekly chart, we have a bullish engulfing, killing the last two weeks. You can see here and here, the closing, not the high. We killed it, and then we have a reversal candle. Now, the PipsMatter reversal candle is this candle here. Oh, makes this one there. Makes a low, and I'm going to delete it now. One sec, let me just, come on. Oh, one sec. So, okay, so this candle here makes a low, then this week moves even lower and then closes in the green. So we have a strong bullish pin bar and reversal candle. Now, if you look at it a little bit closer, and if you go on the daily, if we get this levels here, we'll see that we're trying to break out of this level. So Euro USD, I'm kind of bullish on it because of the weekly chart. What we're going to do now is go down to the daily and understand what's going on. So clearly we've got this a little wrong, and we're going to get the top here and go all the way down. So what we can see, which is clear as daylight, is that we have a breakout. Now on the daily, the last 30 days of the DC and EMA combo, we're right at it. We have a very good chance to break out of it. We do have a potentially strong resistance level in this area here. No, made a mistake again. Let me get the box. Where's the box? Here. So we have a potentially strong resistance in this area, right there. But there are good chances that Euro USD will continue going higher. Now, if you check out my blog post, I speak about the Italian stuff. That there are good chances of something coming out of Italy, and we do have a breakout of the trend line. The candlestick patterns are solid, so I'd say that I'm looking to take Euro USD up. I don't mean I'm going to take it when the market opens. I mean I'm looking to potentially take it up. That means that tomorrow morning when I wake up and I start analyzing the markets, I'm not only going to be looking to buy it, because my rule number one is to always check the upside and the downside. So when we're ready to buy, we need to check all the potential levels where we might get out, all the reasons why we shouldn't stay in the trade or even open it. In any case, I'm potentially going to be taking Euro USD up. The next pair is GBP USD, and we're going to go on to the daily chart, the weekly chart here. And you can see that in the previous week we were taking it lower. I even left this there. So we were taking it down, GBP USD, but we're not doing that anymore, because now I believe that there are good chances of GBP USD reversing. Now, the main thing you need to understand is that potentially we will see weakness in the dollar, because I've reviewed all the major pairs. Actually, I've reviewed 37 different Forex pairs today, and I only came up with potential trades of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is WTI. So I'm only going to be going over 9 pairs in this video. So GBP USD, I'm looking to possibly also go long on this, but it doesn't mean anything. Now, we are right at the 30% level, or the 23.6. Let me just check this. Let's check it like this. So we go from the high, take it down to the low, and no, we're not at the 23.5, nowhere near it, but we are in the range. So GBP USD is trading in a range, and there is a lot of uncertainty right now, and you can see that on the weekly candle. Look at the uncertainty. The uncertainty is pretty high. We have a huge wick up and then another one down, and price is somewhere roughly in the middle, a little bit more to the downside. Closing right at the last 3 weeks. This week, oops. So this week, and this week, the last three weeks, aside from this one here, have closed right at the same level, 28,220. So GBP USD could be a long, but I'm staying away from it because of the Brexit uncertainty. I do not need such headaches. USD JPY. Now, USD JPY, I'm going to clean all drawings, remove all drawings, boom. And something beautiful is happening here. So we have a double top, you can clearly see that, a double top right here, boom, boom. Then we have a reversal candle, because we have a green candle, next candle is a new high and closes in the red. Reversal candle and engulfing of the previous candle. Lots of reasons to go short on USD JPY, but here's the deal. We need more confirmations. So first of all, we're trying to break the DC and EMA. You can see that there. But you can see that this trend line is still pretty much intact, and you can see that very well here. So if we connect the low from here, we have support, and we're approaching it. So maybe I'm gonna take this as a day trade to the downside tomorrow. I'll see how the markets open up and how they react to movement. But so far I have good 2 potential trades. I'm staying out of GBP USD. There is quite a bit of uncertainty there. Euro USD and USD JPY. Now moving over to AUD USD, you'll see something even nicer here. So we had a potential head and shoulders, we traded it, we made some money, and then boom, it rocketed out like crazy. So I'm going to remove all drawing, and I'm going to show you this on the weekly. We're approaching the DC and EMA combo. You can see that price action has broken out clearly and even retested the area down here. You can see that retest happening. and then price action breaking out. So AUD USD is extremely bullish. Again, I'm not going to try and ride this now. I'll wait for a correction down on the 4 hour, down on the 1 hour, down on the 30 minute, and find something solid. But it's going in my A plus trades. Of course, I'm not going to expose myself on Euro USD, USD JPY, and AUD USD. I'm going to analyze them and find the best one, and then share it with my community and take it from there. USD CHF, another potentially good trade to short. You can see that price action tried to move into this range of trading, and then we have an engulfing, we have a reversal pattern, lots of reasons to take USD CHF down. Again, you need to go a little bit more into this and understand what's up. So you need to try and figure out, is this level going to get broken? That's the first thing you need to do. So you see support, support, and then we're there. Now daily, if we break out of this DC and EMA combo, we can see a big move, and I'm going to look to short this. Like I said, I'm only going to expose myself on one of the US pairs, USD pairs, and it could be anywhere between Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, USD CHF, and finally USD CAD. I'm not giving you guys too much. I'm not giving you a hell of a lot to go with here, but the whole point here is just to prepare for the new trading week. So if we zoom in here, USD CAD, we see another thing. Same thing happening here, a reversal candle. We're staying inside this rising wedge, as you can see, or whatever you want to call it, and we can draw it a little bit better now that the market has corrected back down. So let's get the lows down there as well, and you can see that price action is trading in this move, in this pattern here. Now, why I think USD CAD could go up is because oil is becoming extremely weak, and that's one of my best trades so far. I've been in it since Thursday. I've been in very good profits. I've been in a small loss, but things are going well. USD CAD, I'm not sure about it. It's the only one that I'm not sure about. I think there's one more up move before down, but again, my job is not to predict the markets. My job is to react to them and make money. GBP JPY. GBP JPY moving right in this. As you see, we sold it last week. You can see the, well, pretty much the information here, and TP was reached. I'm going to have to remove these things from here. Okay, so let's go on the weekly, and I removed my what's it called, Dow chain channel. So on the weekly, what I think is going to happen here is that the pound could recover in the new week, to be honest with you guys. So if you check it like this, we're sitting at the 30% reversal level. Right there, we're closing at it. So we could maybe go a little bit lower, retest this area, and go higher. So I think a recovery from the pound could come. This is a potentially good trade, and it's going in my A plus trades, which I'm going to be reviewing on Monday morning. The before last trade, Euro CHF. Euro CHF, we expected a breakout. As you can see here, we did break out, and then money was made on that one day, but nothing after that. So if we go on the weekly, you can see that price action is standing right at this trend line, messing about. We do have a bearish pin bar right there. Not much to go with here on Euro CHF. We have another retest of the key area, and I'm going to show it to you like this. If we do this, you can see that price action is retesting this trend line support. Support, 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 breakout, retest now. Finally, we're moving down to WTI, and this is my main trade here. I'm going to go on the weekly. Not much to go with here. The weekly just shows a lot of bearishness. I need to add the Dow chain channel. I remove the top, I remove the bottom, I make it pink, I thicken it up, make the black background black, and that's it. So strong indications of selling, strong breakout of the DC and EMA, strong breakout of this trend line, good indications for selling. I am making a very nice little video of what I'm doing and how I'm updating my charts on WTI. I started recording that since Thursday, little videos, and I'll record some more possibly tonight, and then once the trade's done, I'll get into that. So moving over to the daily, we have a long-tailed bearish, um, a bearish tailed bar. Okay, here, more wicks here, more wicks there. Going down to the 4-hour, you'll see this move here. Um, Now we do have potential reasons to go long, as you can see here. Um, Maybe we're waiting for one more um, push to the downside, but I don't to the upside. But I don't think that's going to happen because you can see we're coming right up to this trend line, which is a very powerful trend line. DC and EMA reacted very well when price came to the 58 mark, and that's when I added on my final position of a half a lot. And I'm still holding on. I expect that there could be one more move up, and then price could head lower. We've been at it for 16 minutes now. I think that's enough. Tomorrow is a big day, and I'm cooking a very small barbecue here with some of my with my family and some friends. That's it. That's it. Remember, this is a new trading week. There is not a lot of events happening, but there is Brexit, there is the EU-Italy stuff, there is US and China. There is things, there is volatility, there is ways to make money. Make sure you join our trading room. Now I've got a free room, I got a room just for alerts, and I've got the community, which is full on exciting stuff. That's it. I don't want to talk too much. See you guys in the markets tomorrow. My name is Dennis. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a successful trading week. Bye now.